All right, so the parliamentary opposition has said that they're not prepared to support a 3-month extension of the state of emergency in St. Catherine and Clarendon. The Prime Minister yesterday afternoon moved a motion in Parliament for the extension, which was declared on September 5. But the opposition leader, Dr. Phillips, said in the absence of critical information from the government about the conduct of the SOEs, he's only prepared to extend the latest security measure by 3 weeks. I quote, "We on this side will move an amendment to extend this by 21 days, during which we are expecting the regulations to be changed. We are expecting also that the relevant data be brought to the Parliament as a basis for us to consider further extension. We think that in the way that we are proceeding, we are making people who want to be safer, who are prepared to support measures, feel that these measures can only be done if they sacrifice themselves. We are prepared to go forward, but not under any terms," said the opposition leader. There you go. So it will be extended for 3 weeks in the first instance, and I guess when the government goes back, they will decide what they want to do. The Prime Minister was saying that it has already started to work, that the fact that they had X amount of murders before the state of emergency and since the state of emergency, those murders have gone down significantly. What's the next one?
But still, one murder is too much in our country. Gotta get into the minds of our people. And
What's the next one?
I want to just acknowledge all of the parents watching who've lost a child to violence and murder in this country. We are with you this morning. It's a terrible feeling. And to my colleagues, we lost a young lady the other day to violence, and I want to just say condolences to the family. Talk of Youth is very distressed at what's happening to our young people. We've not lost one, not two, of our Talk of Youth, and we want to send condolences to the family. Moving on to pain, natural disasters. Let's go to hurricanes. Oh my God. Eyes on Bermuda. Bermuda is going to close schools this Wednesday ahead of the likely arrival of Hurricane Humberto. It's a Category 2. We're hearing it may reach a Category 3 storm. This evening will hit Bermuda. And the National Security Minister, Wayne Keynes, told reporters just yesterday the schools, government offices, and ferries on the island would close today at noon, and bus services will end at 4 p.m. So all of our friends in Bermuda watching on onespotmedia.com, be safe. If you have to evacuate, please do. Another one. And our friends in Bahamas.
Yeah, they said the hurricane force gusts should start about 3 o'clock today and last until 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. Wow. They say that Bermuda is expected to see up to 4 inches of rainfall. Let's pray.
Let's pray.
Yeah. What's the last one?
What do you cook your rice and peas with, Neville?
I don't cook rice and peas.
Oh, I should forget you don't cook at all.
I just said I don't cook rice and peas. What are you going to do?
I actually know. I know where you live, and I know that you don't cook.
Okay.
And I know everybody's been to your house and they say you cannot cook.
Okay.
IKEA apologizes after cultural appropriation. The New York Post is reporting that IKEA's new Jamaican jerk chicken with rice and peas has been slammed after the warehouse chain made the traditional Caribbean dish using the wrong ingredients. The Swedish-based retailer recently added the jerk chicken to its UK menu, which includes its famous meatballs and hot dogs, and was met with immediate backlash after a photo of the dish was shared on Twitter. This is IKEA's jerk chicken and rice and peas, and no, I'm not eating it, one Twitter user shared in the post, along with a picture of the food, which consisted of a piece of jerk chicken next to white rice and green peas. See it there, my people. That are not Jamaican rice and peas. We know that. So we know what our rice and peas is made of. All right, go there now. This is what it look like, all right? And that's not what it looked like. So we're just saying, you know. But IKEA apologized, my people, and said it was re-looking at the dish. Re-looking at the dish. But come on. I Google, blah, blah, blah. You know what I'm saying? Little rice and peas, what it make of. Or call a Jamaican. Call us. Call Neville. Call somebody in Jamaica. Come on now. All the cooking segments we've had on Smile Jamaica. I'm sure IKEA could have done a little research, grabbed an old show, and seen what Jamaican food looks like on TVJ. Come on. Aye. Anyway, talk about food. What do you cook? What did you cook last night? What did you eat last night? Do you cook?
It's time for some birthdays.
Do you cook?
Yes, I can cook. I don't
Wondering.
cook, but I can cook.